Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Ang aking tatalakayin ngayon ay ang unang topic para sa Grade 10 Math Week number 4, Finding the Nth Term of a Geometric Sequence. The formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. First example, find the nth term of the given geometric sequence below. Given 1, 3, 9, find the fifth term. So para makuha natin yung fifth term, una, isulat muna natin ang formula. So the formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, bago natin ma-substitute, tukuyin muna natin. Sino ba ang ating first term o a sub 1? So, ang ating a sub 1 ay, of course, 1. Next, ano ang ating common ratio? So, yung common ratio, we can obtain it by dividing a term from its preceding term. So, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Ganon din sa 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. So, our common ratio is 3. Now, since we are looking for the fifth term, the value of our n is 5. We can now substitute these values to the given formula. So, we are to find the fifth term or the a sub 5. And then, substitute the value of the first term, which is 1. And then, our common ratio is 3. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin sa loob ng parentheses. Raised to n minus 1. Our n is 5. So, raised to 5 minus 1. Mula rito, ang sunod natin pwedeng isimplify, syempre, by order of operation, yung exponent muna. So, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So, copy lang yung ibang terms, and then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So, what is next is to evaluate 3 raised to 4. Ano ba ang 3 raised to 4? 3 raised to 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 81. Tapos, copy lang yung 1 dito. Again, 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. And lastly, multiply these two numbers. 1 times 81 is equal to 81. Therefore, the fifth term of the given geometric sequence is 81. Next, find the indicated term of the geometric sequence. So, given the first term is 7, the common ratio is 3, find the 10th term. So, again, the solution, let's start with the formula of the nth term. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, we are looking for the 10th term, so a sub 10. Obviously, our n is 10. And then, let's substitute the values of a sub 1 and r. So, our a sub 1 is 7. And then, the common ratio is 3. And then, our n for the exponent is 10. Our n is 10. So, replace n by 10 minus 1. Next, subtract 10 and 1. Sa exponent muna tayo. So, copy lang. 7 times 3 raised to 9. Ayan. Then, ang sunod naman dyan ay yung 3 raised to 9. 3 raised to 9 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 hanggang maka 9 tayo na 3. So, ang 3 raised to 9 ay 19,683. Ayan. Tapos, copy pa rin natin syempre yung 7. Alright. And then, lastly, we will multiply these two numbers. So, 19,683 times 7, the answer would be 100. 37,781. Therefore, the 10th term of the given geometric sequence is 137,781. Next example. The common ratio in a geometric sequence is 4, and the fourth term is 192. Find the first three terms. So, maaring i-divide na lang natin, no, yung fourth term doon sa given common ratio. Kasi, ang hinihingi, first three terms. So, first term, second term, third term. Tapos, yung fourth term is given by 192. Tapos, yung ratio, given din. The ratio is 4. Ayan. So, since itong naunang tatlong hinihingi, pwedeng i-divide na lang din natin tong fourth term sa given common ratio. I-divide natin, 192 divided by 4, yun yung third term. No? So, gawin muna natin yun. So, 192 divided by 4 is equal to 48. So, the third term is 48. Tapos, divide ulit natin. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Ayan. And then, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Ayan. So, ito madali lang kasi yung hinihingi, kasunuran lang. No? Pero kung may case na ang hinihingi ay malayo doon sa given term, ang gagawin natin ay we're going to use the formula. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 8. R raised to n minus 1. So, halimbawa, hindi pang 4 ang binigay, sabihin natin pang 15, 15th term. Tapos, given yung common ratio, pag tinanong tayo, ano ang first term? So, from 1st to 15th, malayo yun, no? Malayo yung kanilang position. So, gagamit tayo ng formula. So, yung given na 192 na fourth term, yun ang ating last term o a sub n. So, ang a sub n natin ay 192. Tapos, hindi natin alam, hindi given ang first term. So, yun ang ating isosolve, si a sub 1. Then, the common ratio is given, and that is 4. Tapos, ang n natin ay yung kung pang ilan yung given term na yun. Sabi, ang 192 ay fourth term. So, ang n natin ay 4. Yan. Tapos, copy lang. Tapos, mag 4 minus 1 muna tayo sa exponent, and that is equal to 3. Then, copy again. And then, let's evaluate what is the value of 4 raised to 3. So, 4 raised to 3 means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. Yan. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And then, since we are solving for the first term, we can divide both sides by 64. Yan. Para makakancel na lang to, ang maiiwan na lang sa right side ay a sub 1. Tapos, doon naman sa left side, i-divide natin yung 192 kay 64. 192 divided by 64 is equal to 3. Ayan. So, the first term is 3. So, ayan po, no? Tama naman na ang ating nakuha kanina ay the first term is 3. Ayan po. Pero nagkataon nga kasi kanina, fourth term, malapit lang kay first term. At ang hinihingi, hindi lang first, pati second, pati third, nakatabi lang niya. So, shortcut doon, di-divide mo na lang sa common ratio para makuha yung mga nauna. Pero, ulitin ko, kung malayo ang given term, tapos ang hinihingi ay first term o kaya first 3 terms, pwede tayong gumamit ng formula para masolve yung unang term. At mula nun, pag may unang term na, i-times na lang sa common ratio para naman makuha ang second term, tapos third term. Okay? So, yun lamang po ang ating mga example para po sa finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. So, maraming salamat. Please do like and subscribe. Bye!